What's up guys, Retro Gamer Gen X back with another repair video. And in today's video, we're going to be repairing this thing. This old crusty broken Game Boy here. Now the Game Boy itself actually does work. So the motherboard inside of here does work. If we turn it on, you can see that it turns on and does what it's supposed to do. Loads the game that's actually in here. However, you can see half the screen is actually not working. Let me turn this thing down. Half the screen isn't working, and the case is just all messed up. I still don't know what is on this thing. Now, as you guys can see, that when I got it from the collection, this is the way it came. And by smelling it, I can't determine what it is. It looks like it may have been battery acid that ate up these pieces of plastic and the case and stuff like that. But there was nothing with batteries inside of those boxes that I got the collection in. So really weird. Then I started thinking, well, it came out of like a farm area. So might this be like mouse urine? Ew! But it doesn't smell like urine. So I don't know what it is, guys. But whatever it is, ate the plastic. We're going to go ahead and get this thing fixed today. So let's go ahead and go over to the workbench and get this thing started, get it restored. First things first, let's take the Game Boy apart. Some Game Boys have wide-tipped security screws. This one didn't, it just had regular Phillips screws. These speaker wires here will be desoldering later on. A brand new case straight from China and AliExpress. Comes with the buttons, the button contacts, the screws, and pretty much everything you need. And it's already been pre-cut to fit the IPS screen. Now, after I cleaned up the motherboard, we'll go ahead and install it into the bottom part of the shell. Now we'll go ahead and get the buttons and the contacts put into the top part of the shell. Now let's go ahead and open up the IPS Screen Mod Kit. So let's see, we got some double-sided sticky tape. Here's the controller board. The screen bracket, the ribbon cable to attach it to the Game Boy motherboard. And the IPS screen
with its driver board. Let's go ahead and desolder the old speaker off the old controller board. Just keep in mind which is the positive and which is the negative. You'll want to solder it onto the other board exactly the same. Now let's go ahead and get this speaker attached to the new controller board. Now let's go ahead and peel the double-sided sticky tape off the back of the IPS screen and attach the IPS screen driver to the back of it. Connect the ribbon cable from the driver to the screen. Now we need to apply that double-sided sticky tape to the bracket. When installing the screen into the bracket, just make sure you get it in there nice and square and that it adheres to the double-sided sticky tape. Let's go ahead and partially put this thing together just to test it out. This right here is probably the hardest part of the mod, is just getting these two halves together and getting this ribbon cable connected. Haha, yes, we got success. Well, let's go ahead and finish getting this thing put together. Now what's cool about this mod is it gives you 36 different color combinations for your screen. If you press and hold the contrast button down, it'll take you into the menu where you have a host of a whole bunch of different options. And just hold the button down again to exit the menu.
Alright guys, so as you can see, the Game Boy is back up and functioning. I mean, just amazing to see this thing as nice as it is now. But pretty much the whole thing is brand new besides the motherboard inside. Now I did check the caps. The caps seemed okay. There was one bulging on the audio circuit, which I didn't have in stock. So later on, I'm going to go ahead and replace that cap. But for now, it's not bad. Now the audio does have a little bit of a buzz because of that. But like I said, we'll get that fixed. But other than that, guys, just really cool. And I got my EverDrive flash cart in here. And yeah, it works. So here's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I'm just so happy, guys. I'm just happy that this worked out and that it was just this easy to do. Literally, the whole thing took me maybe 30 minutes, and I took my time doing it. You could probably do it in 10. And once again, I just wanted to thank all my subs, all my viewers, all my supers, just everybody that supported me over the years. And if you're into this retro kind of stuff and you like this, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that like and also that notification bell. And if you want to help support the channel, go ahead and hit that super button down below as well. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Y'all have a great one. Peace out, y'all.
Game over, man. It's game over.